If you're looking for an easy and simple lunch or dinner idea that is going to take you around 20 to 30 minutes to prepare, try out this easy and delicious beef stir fry, which is loaded with lots of vegetables. It's delicious, it's glossy, and perfect as a side dish. The best part about this recipe is that you can meal prep, store it in your freezer, and enjoy during the week. The good thing about this recipe is that it's easily customizable. So over here, I have my vegetable mix, which consists of various vegetables. I have some broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, red capsicum, snow peas, purple cabbage, and zucchini. You can add in more vegetables of your choice and you'll be good to go. I have my beef over here, which is for around 2 people. So I've sliced the beef very thinly so that it can cook very fast, and I'm using beef steak. As you can see, it's very thin and light, so it's going to cook really fast. Now you're going to place a non-stick pan over medium flame and add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, ready for your meat. Once your cooking oil is ready, you're going to add in your beef and sear for around 3 to 5 minutes. As your beef is slowly cooking, you're going to prep up your sauce. So in a small bowl, you're going to add in a third cup of light soy sauce. Add in a tablespoon of sugar, cornstarch, and a splash of water. Mix everything until fully combined. As your beef is cooking, you're going to be adding in some black pepper and garlic powder into the meat so that it can absorb in all those lovely spices or flavors. So I'm going to add in a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Stir in the seasoning into the beef as it cooks. And because I've already added in some light soy sauce, I'm not going to be adding in any more salt until I add the sauce into the beef, and then I'll check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, I'm going to add in a touch of salt or some beef seasoning cubes. My sauce is ready, so I'm going to be adding in half of the sauce into the dish. Stir in the sauce into the beef, and immediately you add in the sauce, it's going to thicken up and look very glossy because of the cornstarch. The brown sugar is going to add in a very nice sweetness to the dish as well. So you're going to cook this for around a minute until you have some bits of crunchy beef. You can see the beef is browning and looking very delicious. Now that your beef is ready and has a very lovely brown color, you're going to transfer to a plate. I'm already tempted to have some because it's looking very delicious. In the same pan, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of cooking oil, and then I'm going to transfer in my vegetables. Toss the vegetables into the pan and add in some onion as well, together with some garlic, which is going to add in lots of flavor. And then I'm going to saute the onions for around 2 minutes until soft. You can see how colorful my veggies are looking. So you're going to saute for around 2 minutes until the vegetables are soft. add in some extra flavor to my beef stir fry, I'm going to be adding in a seasoning cube, which is going to add in a very nice beef flavor to the stir fry, and also add in some salt. Remember, I used some light soy sauce for my sauce, which is low in sodium. So the beef seasoning cube is going to fully season my dish. Once your vegetables are soft and looking very delicious, you're going to add back your beef into the pan. Add in the rest of the sauce. Stir in the soy sauce into the beef stir fry, and let me tell you, once you try this recipe, you're fully going to love this recipe because it's looking very delicious. Put out the flames after around a minute after adding in your cornstarch, because you don't want to overcook the vegetables. That is losing the crunch in the vegetables. So because mine is ready, I'm going to serve to show you how delicious the beef stir fry is looking. Once you're done serving your delicious beef stir fry, it's going to be looking perfect and delicious. And the best thing is that it has taken me around 25 minutes to prepare this delicious recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy and amazing recipe.